Ay, world. When a nigga was broke, I stayed up day and night. Had to trap through the year, get it right. Had to beat out the pad, had to cut up a pie. If I come down your block, then the nigga gon' die. This the life that I live, I ain't telling no lies. We put shit in the sky. Murder one first thing to come to my mind. Tryna straighten it out, he got pressed with the iron. Bullets be flying, gotta switch on the 9. Lil' ones and family be crying. He got rushed to the grave, all attempts he was trying. If I get caught with this ammo, I'm facing some time. Alphabet boys on my trail. I don't gotta speak out for my diamonds, they yeah. I done ran up the rest off for playing with that scale. I been punching in numbers, not working Excel. This is 41 phase, this a double XL. If you wanna win, become earn you a trophy. They don't say what they mean, could they really be trying? Way I'm working, and we'll drive this coupe like it's stolen. That's a wide body cat. Yeah, I'm still in the streets, and you know where I'm at. You ain't moving like that, cause you ain't having motion. I can lose what I catch other fish in the ocean. Boy, your jury ain't real, I see the corrosion. Why your jury not hitting them, not even more tonight. These niggas ain't next. Not the bitch here in Dallas, she say she from Kansas. Make the bitch change her city and change it like Cam. I don't care for her shit, but her man did. Attitude with no money, you stranded. I get cool with the blues when I fan it. Bobby Bland play the bitch like the blues. If you fuck with Lil Zavi, then bitch, you won't lose. I'm in Casablanca, rockin' Rico and shoes. Put that shit on my body every day of the week. I might step on a nigga, he think that I'm sweet. 2,000 a day, 14K in my teeth. 20 wide to the back, bust it down with the V. I don't like being humble, turn me to a beast. It's him and I know me, just had to release. I don't like being humble, turn me to a beast. It's him and I know me, just had to release. When a nigga was broke, I stayed up day and night. Had to trap through the year, get it right. Had to beat out the pad, had to cut up a pie. If I come down your block, then the nigga gon' die. This the life that I live, I ain't telling no lies. We put shit in the sky. Murder one first thing to come to my mind. Tryna straighten it out, he got pressed with the iron. Bullets be flying, gotta switch on the 9. Lil' ones and family be crying. He got rushed to the grave, all attempts he was trying. If I get caught with this ammo, I'm facing some time. Alphabet boys on my trail. I don't gotta speak out for my diamonds, they yeah. I done ran up the rest off for playing with that scale. I been punching in numbers, not working Excel. This is 41 phase, it's a double XL.